Hello, I'm Joel Grimm. Today we're going to do a walk around on the all-new premium Class A gas-powered Miramar from Thor Motor Coach. What separates the Miramar from a lot of the competition is going to be the automotive front cap. Starting with the one-piece oversized windshield with added visibility for safety, complemented by your integrated side view cameras in the heated and remote powered mirrors. Up front on the integrated cab, you're going to have a chrome grille, also halogen headlights complemented with LED accent lights. The Miramar rides on the Ford 22,000-pound chassis and is powered by the V10 6.8-liter Triton engine, giving you 362 horsepower and 457 pounds of foot torque. The Miramar also rides on 22.5-inch Michelin tires equipped with aluminum wheels. Coming down the side of the motorhome, what really separates the Miramar from the rest of the competition in its class is its basement storage. It's built up on 13-inch trusses, giving you huge pass-through belly storage equivalent to what a diesel motorhome will offer you. Standard equipment on the Miramar is going to be the electric patio awning, which comes out and gives you shade when you're viewing your optional 32-inch flat screen TV in your patio space. Also available on the Miramar is going to be a full body paint. The rear of the Miramar has a one-piece molded fiberglass cap and is equipped with the rear fuel fill, which makes it extremely convenient when filling up your fuel tank. It doesn't matter which side of the island you pull up to, both of the hoses will be able to reach with no problem. Also, to point out, on the top you'll get two extremely bright docking lights which will illuminate the area when you're back in the motorhome. Let's take a look at the off-campsite part of the motorhome. The Onan 5500 generator comes standard on the Miramar, giving you 50 amp service, which will enable you to run everything in the motorhome going down the road. Coming over to the termination center, a few standard features include the whole house water filtration system, also an outside shower, black tank flush, and a huge 100-gallon freshwater tank, which will reduce the amount of times you have to fill up. Welcome to the inside of the Miramar. First thing I want to talk about and go over is several key features up in the cockpit area. You'll notice on the front dash area that it comes standard with an electric drop-down privacy sun visor shade. Secondly, over here, it comes standard with a PC workstation along with a 110 12-volt plug charging station. Thirdly, the table down here is used as a breakfast nook where you can have a meal, additional seating, and also just a place if you want to play cards. What really separates the Miramar from the competition is going to be the hideaway bunk bed that drops down for additional sleeping capacity. The residential features continue through the living area of the Miramar motorhome, starting with the soft touch vinyl ceiling, which acts as an extra insulation barrier and also a noise deadener. The flooring system from front to back is also going to be a residential linoleum flooring, which makes it extremely easy to keep clean. In the kitchen area, standard is going to be a solid surface countertop and sink covers, and you'll also get additional countertop space with the pull-out drawer. You'll notice over here, over the range, is a 30-inch residential microwave oven. Also in the living area of the Miramar is a two-tone leatherette hide-a-bed air mattress sofa, along with an oversized U-shaped dinette, which gives plenty of seating area and also additional sleeping area as this table drops down for a second bed. Over here we have the upgraded roller shade, which will give you complete privacy at night and assure that you're going to keep the sunlight out of the motorhome during the daytime. All Miramars are equipped with a premium Denver mattress sleep system and also offer a full walk-around bed. Thank you for taking the time today to view the all-new Miramar motorhome from Thor Motor Coach. For more information, please visit thormotorcoach.com.